Traders, Anthony here. Someone's just asked me my opinion on the dollar yen, and here it is. Over here, trade this price action. This kind of price action is the sort of price action that I'm looking for. Nice clean trend. All through here is the same thing. High, higher low, higher high, higher low, and away we go. But over here, well, it's not trending. I mean, this is trending, lower high, lower low, lower high. That's the kind of environment or chart that I like to get involved with. This at the moment is personally, I'm staying right out of it. I don't want to get involved with the dollar yen. But you want my opinion on this? Well, a couple of things going on here. Okay, and this is not an easy chart to be trading. We do have this higher low daily time frame. It's traded down. Okay, we've bounced off here. We've had this trending bullish, and then break of market structure bearish. Okay, and now we're off to the races again. So I guess if anything, I'm going to go with this last bit of price movement here, and that's bullish at the moment. What's it trading into? What's it trading away from? Well, it's trading away from this level here, this value area where it originated, right? So it's pushed off from that. It's currently fairly extended, and it's not only extended, it's traded into, see this gap in here? We've got big liquidity all through here. It's pushing through with a vengeance, eating up any buy stops that are sitting in there. This here in particular is a big level. We've got a ton of buy stops sitting up in here that this is currently eating into. So I don't see this relentlessly pushing forward. If anything, given we have this extended price action, I would be looking at a potential pullback based on the fact that it's traded into buy-side liquidity right there. And this price swing is overextended. Right? So I wouldn't be buying at this high. So with all of that behind us, let's just go down to a 4-hour time frame, get a bit closer to it. Again, you want to be looking at where there is liquidity in the market in terms of the draw on liquidity. If big money is targeting liquidity, I mean, they rely on buy stops, sell stops to be able to pair their orders. So they target this buy side liquidity up in here. They've already accumulated down in here. So is this going to pull back? That's the question. So you've got that going on. And then the other thing that you've got going on is smart money algos that, regardless of whatever's going on in the market, whatever retail traders are doing, you've got smart money algos that will price this where they want it to go. They'll price it where they want it to go, like this, for example. It's bullish. It pushes up with a vengeance, and you can imagine the number of retail and institutional traders as well who would pile in long over here on this move. There's a buy on this retrace into equilibrium, and what's going on here is this is deliberate, guys. I can tell you right now. Okay, this is smart money algos pricing this to this level, and they are eating up the liquidity above this range here. They take that out and it tanks, right? So they accumulate down here, they distribute up here. There's another accumulation. So, what are they hunting? Where is their liquidity? That's what I'm always looking at. And it's sitting right through here at the moment. So this could price up into it further. It could quite possibly do that, but just be careful. And I wouldn't be getting involved with that, to be honest. It's just not a favorable chart for me. Now, if I'm going to get involved with the dollar yen, I would need to see this. Let's just scrunch this up, 4-hour time frame. We have this range through here. Well, what kind of range would you call that? Where do you pull this from? Well, you got a high up in here and you got a low down in here. So we've got this price range. If I'm going to get involved with this, I would need to see either it breaks this range here, retest and fail, and that's an opportunity to buy, or it breaks the low of this range here, and that's an opportunity to sell. While this is sitting between these levels, I'm really reluctant to get involved. So I would need to see the break above or break below. Okay, so for now, this is no-go zone for me. Looking at this chart though, if anything, it does look like it what is it, the dollar yen? Yeah, it's risk on at the moment, and for now, until that shifts, I'd have to see a break of the high or low before I get involved, guys. That's all there is to it. So yeah, that was my take on this. There are a lot better opportunities in the market. Just look for trends that are moving like this. Look at that. Now you want to get involved when it retraces, either bullish or bearish. I mean, have a look at this, for example. See, you get all this messy stuff over here on the left, but when it finally breaks and clears this level, look what you got. You get this really nice price action that you can get involved with all the way through until it decides to roll over. Same thing here. So, I'm always going to be looking for a chart that gives me higher highs. Bullish, higher highs, higher lows, or bearish the other way around. What's it doing here? I mean, it's doing that, but possibly a break of that, could get you involved, I guess, if you're willing to take the risk. But it's got to pull up, come back and retest. Yeah, you just give it a bit of a chance to start trending, I think. This here is a big resistance right through here and all through here. Right, so you got these two value areas. Like if you're looking at this from a volume profile point of view, we could even draw it out. Okay, here's your volume profile. Thin, and then it comes out, it comes right out, comes out, I don't know, something like that, guys. And there's your, point of control through here. Whoops, one POC there, another point of control in here, just depending where you're drawing your volume profile. So this is big resistance. These two levels, you got this. Look at this value area through here. The mid point of this value area. I don't know what else can I say about this. It's not for me at the moment until it starts trending. Okay, that's my take on the dollar yen. And with that, leave a comment, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. And hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.